This is a total anathema to what the narrative has always been, that the first right belongs to Alpsankyak, and even among the Alpsankyak it should be the Muslims. That's what a former Prime Minister of the UPA had said. शहजाद पूनावाला, तो अब तो संख्या भारी ही नहीं है तो फिर आपका कोई हक नहीं है. Is that what the opposition is going to say? This is all, like I said, a comedy of contradictions.
Look, I would not call it doctrine of necessity as Rashid has termed it. I would say doctrine of hypocrisy. Hypocrisy देखिए that in 1979 the Mandal Commission submits its report. Indira ji, and rightly said by Rashid, the slogan was na जात पर ना पात पर मुहर लगेगी हाथ पर. Rajiv Gandhi after that rejects this report. Then in 1990s when VP Singh government accepts it and BJP was supporting the VP Singh government, at that time Mr. Rajiv Gandhi in Parliament on 6th of September 1990 takes a stand contrary to it. And forget that time, this is 30-40 years behind. Let's talk about even today. Do you know when the OBC Commission was given constitutional status, Congress party voted against it? Do you know the same Congress party, there is a NCBC report that how the rights of the OBCs have been captured by Rohingyas in West Bengal has not taken a stand against it because it is communal to do so. And more importantly, look at the Congress's politics today. The Congress, when it says this, that jiski jitni sankhya bhari, let's assume in Bihar. In Bihar, what is the sankhya of Kurmi Samaj? And Nitish ji is the chief minister for the last 15 years. By their logic, I am not going by anybody else's logic. Caste survey has been done by Karnataka government. They are not releasing the report there. Caste headcount has been done, or at least the survey headcount has been done in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh CM during a conclave has told them, I have done the survey, but I will not release it. In Odisha, where BJP government said we will have a caste survey, the Congress, the opposition has opposed it. And you know one more thing. There are two levels at which this is being opposed. Not by the BJP. The TMC in the India alliance has taken categorical stand. Saugata Roy's published statement in Indian Express that we are against caste survey, caste census. Point one. Point two, the entire South parties, the parties of South India, have always said that when it comes to the delimitation, the population or the Sankhya should not be the parameter. It is contrary to their aspect. Forget the Alpasankyak. For a moment, it is contrary to the entire South parties. So Rashid ji Smile is also saying that this is an alliance of contradictions and a doctrine of hypocrisy. The Congress should tell us that if this is the parameter, then are the parties like DMK okay with this being the parameter in delimitation?
No, before Rashid Kidwai responds to this, you tell me what is the BJP's position. The BJP on the one hand supports a caste census resolution when in power along with Nitish. On the other hand comes out and says we should not do it. In the past you yourself said that when the Mandal Commission, which is the bane of a lot of issues in our country in terms of the reservation quotas etc., the BJP was supporting the VP Singh government. So the BJP cannot, see, if you are accusing the Congress of bajawing dole like this and then like this, then the BJP is also bajawing dole like this and now like this.
BJP believes in just one caste, the caste of the Garib. जो गरीब है वो लाभार्थी वर्ग में आता है और चाहे वो कहीं से भी हो, कोई भी समाज का हो. We are given them 80 crore rations, 12 crore toilets, 11 crore Nal Se Jal. We have given them food, we have given them Awas without seeing which jati they belong to the Garib jati. Point number two. Please see the Hindustan Times survey and the study that was done. Since the inception of BJP, all the chief ministers that BJP has made, 30.9% belong to OBC. And since the inception of Congress till now, all the chief ministers, only 17% are OBC. Now Rashid ji will say, but 3 out of their 4 CMs are OBC. Our prime minister comes from OBC background.
No, but why are you batting for this OBC if you don't believe in this whole caste aspect? So are these chief ministers based good because of their caste or because of their ability?
No.
संख्या भारी होनी चाहिए कि मेहनत और काबिलियत भारी होनी चाहिए. What should be the narrative?
My answer to your question is on the fact that the BJP is being portrayed as an anti-certain section party by the Congress. I am showing the mirror to the Congress that you have always worked against the interests of the OBC. In fact, you and your alliance can't even say that if you will have an OBC chehra as the next Prime Minister 2024, whereas our chehra is Pradhan Mantri Modi, who is an OBC.
By Arun
Anand. And secondly, we have taken a categorical stand. First of all, in Bihar, a survey has been done, not a census. And that survey was also commissioned by us when we were in government. We have accepted and we have said, let's have the survey. But only 1 out of the 20 odd points have been published. Why is the educational aspect not published? Why is the social and other aspects not been published? And secondly, when in UPA did a caste census in 2011, till 2011 to 2014, they never published it. Then when we came to power, we had shown that there were 8.5 crore errors. And those errors were sent for rectification to the states, state like West Bengal, state like Tamil Nadu, they never corrected it. Why? Why
No,
haven't
but
they corrected it?
either
5,000 crores
either
was
you
spent on it.
propose it or you oppose it. Don't say that we did
We
it
have
and they have
said
not sent corrections.
Our stand is
We-
very
but
categorical in the Supreme Court. In the
that's-
affidavit, we have taken a categorical stand. There's no dispute. But having said that, why haven't these parties, which say that they are for
what
it,
they do,
why
what
didn't
they don't
correct the
do is
errors?
one